Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for moisture management in various environments, particularly for industrial and commercial settings. Designed for efficiency and portability, this dehumidifier boasts a robust build and advanced features that make it a reliable choice for tackling high humidity levels. One of the standout features of the ALORAIR LGR is its powerful moisture removal capability. With a dehumidification capacity of up to 130 pints per day, this unit can efficiently remove excess water from the air, significantly improving air quality and preventing mold growth. This is particularly beneficial for environments prone to dampness, such as basements, warehouses, and construction sites. The built-in pump feature is a game-changer, as it allows for continuous drainage without the need for manual intervention. This means you can set it up and forget it, with the pump automatically expelling water through the drain hose, making it ideal for long-term use. The included drain hose is long enough to provide flexibility in positioning the unit for optimal performance. Portability is another significant advantage of the ALORAIR LGR. It features sturdy wheels and a lightweight design, making it easy to transport between different areas as needed. The ergonomic handle adds to the convenience, allowing users to move it with minimal effort. Furthermore, the user-friendly control panel is intuitive, featuring a digital display that provides real-time readings of humidity levels and allows for easy adjustments to settings. This ensures that users can monitor and control the dehumidification process effectively. Overall, the ALORAIR LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is a top-tier product that effectively tackles humidity issues with its high capacity, efficient drainage system, and portable design. It's an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable dehumidification solution in challenging environments, making it a worthwhile addition to any maintenance toolkit.